Welcome back to this prototyping tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to prototype a web app dashboard wireframe using MockFlow's prototyping feature in under 2 minutes. We've already created a web app dashboard wireframe, along with a pop-up overlay, a tooltip, and a drop-down menu using the MockFlow WireframePro editor. Now, we'll start adding interactions. First, using the Layers panel, hide the pop-up overlay. Then select the New Invoice button, click Manage Interactions, choose Mouse Click as the trigger, and Show Component as the action. Select the pop-up overlay and add a fade in effect to ensure a smooth transition. Next, let's add a hover interaction for the overdue label. Choose Mouse Hover as the trigger and Show Component as the action. Select the tooltip and apply a fade in effect. In the same component, add another interaction with Mouse Out as the trigger and Hide Component as the action. Select the tooltip again and add a fade out effect. For the next interaction, select the More Options icon and open Manage Interactions. Choose Mouse Click as the trigger and toggle Component Visibility as the action. Select the drop-down menu and add a fade in effect. Now let's handle closing the pop-up. Select the Cancel button, choose Mouse Click as the trigger, and Hide Component as the action. Select the pop-up overlay and add a fade out effect so it closes smoothly. Once all the interactions are in place, set the dashboard as the primary container. This ensures the dashboard is the only screen visible in view mode. Now, click View to see everything in action. Clicking New Invoice opens the pop-up, and clicking Cancel closes it. Hovering over Overdue shows the tooltip, and moving the cursor away hides it. Clicking the More Options icon toggles the drop-down menu on and off. With MockFlow's prototyping feature, you can add multiple interactions to your wireframes and make them feel more realistic. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick prototyping tutorials.